The chief guest for the day is an eminent personality in the field of politics. She currently serves as the MLA of Shioli constituency and is also the Vice Chairman, Entertainment Society of Goa. May I request Dr. Amita Kenkre Kamath, Professor and Head, Department of Public Health Dentistry, Goa Dental College and Hospital, to escort Mrs. Delilah M. Lobo and take your seats on the dais. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all our dignitaries on and off the dais, members of the press, and all you wonderful people gathered here. With all our dignitaries seated on the dais, we would now like to welcome them. May I request Dr. Amita Kenkre Kamath to present our chief guest as well as our guest of honor for the day with a potted plant. Light symbolizes the end of darkness and the arrival of prosperity and auspiciousness. In order to make this event a blessed one, let us invoke blessings upon us by kindling the lamp. May I invite our dignitaries to come forward to light the lamp. I would like to take this opportunity and invite Dr. Amita Kenkre Kamath, Professor and Head, Department of Public Health Dentistry, to welcome the gathering.
A very good evening and a warm welcome to you all here today, assembled at the 6th Anti-Tobacco Film Festival 2024. We started out in 2017 and seeing the hearty response, it's an ongoing feature now in the calendar of events at the ESG. This year's theme is protecting children from tobacco industry interference. The theme is very apt because now we find 12 and 13-year-olds succumbing to this menace of tobacco in the form of e-cigarettes. We used to think only in US and abroad we find these e-cigarettes and ends, but not so. Even on the home turf in Goa, wherever we have gone for school dental camps, there have been 1 or 2 incidents where teachers have told us that they have had to confiscate e-cigarettes from the students' bags, and that to 10, 11, 12-year-olds. So you can imagine how alarmingly this menace is spreading all across, even amongst the children. And why are they succumbing to it? Because the tobacco industry is propagating it very effectively that e-cigarettes are an answer to cigarettes. Like it's a safer alternative to cigarettes. And definitely it is not. It's much more toxic. Also, it is marketed as if people want to give up smoking, they can switch to e-cigarettes. But again, that is totally wrong, because the e-cigarettes, they have a kind of liquid which contains a high level of nicotine. So when a person smokes e-cigarettes, there is a little amount of smoke, yes, there is no smell of tobacco, but then this liquid immediately gets absorbed into the lung tissues. So there have been many cases in the US where studies have done where they have reported lung injuries due to vaping and due to e-cigarettes. So you can imagine how terrible it's becoming all day by day. Now, this year's also we've had a lot of entries in both national and state category, and some very good ones also highlighting the menace of e-cigarettes. These films, y'all must know, we show all across not only Goa but in India as well. These films are spread all through the media, all during our school camps, educational camps, everywhere in the health department. These films are widely shown all across. So never think that they are restricted only to this year's festival and that is all. So here we have to come together again, and every day, not only just today to be celebrated as World No Tobacco Day, but we have to aim for every day being a No Tobacco Day. With these few words, we shall start with the program. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam. May I now call upon Dr. Shekhar Sarkar, guest of honor of today's program, to address the gathering.
माचेर आशिल्ली आमची वायस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द ESG, मॅडम लोबो, मॅडम अमिता, द ज्युरीज, सगळे फिल्म मेकर्स, मेंबर्स ऑफ द प्रेस, and my good friends. This is a very subject which is very dear to me. Actually, means we have been since 1984. I am there in this field. And late Dr. Sharad Vaidya is the main hero amcha who has brought us into in this field. And because of him, actually Goa is known all over the India as the pioneer in the control of the tobacco. If you see the tobacco control all over India, the best state is our state. Goa is the best state. We are less than 10% tobacco consumption. Average consumption is around 27 to 30%. And some states like Mizoram and UP and Bihar is around 45%. So compared to them, we are much better. But we cannot be, lax around kamka upayogna, because it just takes few decades to just, get this number from 10 to 27. Madam, एक important issue is about e-cigarettes. But I want to just highlight that risk involved in cigarette is how much. If you smoke 10 cigarettes per day, your chance of dying unnatural death is 1 in 200. That means 200 students start smoking 10 cigarettes per day today. Maybe after maybe around 15-20 years, 1 out of 200 will die. म्हणजे 200 एकटोच मरताले कित्याक उगी चन घेवया न्हय अशें म्हणटले न्हय तुमी सगळे जाण. म्हणजे अशें म्हणटले एक्सिडेंटान डेली कोण हांगा मरत आसतात म्हणून. But only 10% of the smokers use 10 cigarettes per day. It is like a social smoking. सकाळी संडास जायना म्हणतात तो एक वेरी कॉमन सारको. संडास जायना म्हणून ते कोमोडार बसून ताका हे जाय. मागीर च्या घेतकच ताका एक तलप येता. जेवतकच एक जाय. म्हणजे रातची न्हिदच्या पयलीं एक जाय. So these are the social smoker आमी म्हणटाले. A real chain smoker smokes nothing less than 30 cigarettes per day. Because ताका जर ती kick येवंक जाय dopamineची, he needs around every 5 minutes to 10 minutes one cigarette. Now if you make that ratio of 10 cigarettes to 30 cigarettes, your chance of dying is 1:2. 2 means 2 friends start smoking today 30 cigarettes, one will be dead, one will be alive. The most dangerous man to the society is one who is alive. Because one who is dead is gone. तर गेलो बाबडो वयलो. कोण बरो पॉश मनीस आहा ताची मागीर एडवर्टायजमेंट बी मागीर येता व्हडली व्हडली एडवर्टायजमेंट. Otherwise nobody remembers him. But a man who is alive and smokes 30 cigarettes per day is the most dangerous man to the society because he is a live example to the people. हांव 30 सिगरेटी ओडटा म्हणटलो, हांव 2 कॉपूय मारता बरोबर, तरी आसतना आपल्याक कांय जावना म्हण. And people tend to believe him than doctors. Because तो थंय लाईव्ह पळयता न्ही मनीस आपल्या समोर आहा म्हणटा, आपलो आजो आहा म्हणटा, 85 वर्सां ताका जाली, 50 सिगरेटी ओडटा दिसाक, कॉप मारता, तरी अजून टुणटुणीत आहा म्हण. For every one azo is here, one azo is there. Wait. That nobody understands because science is important. We go by individual. Science is important. So 50% is very, very high risk. Because तुम्ही आता फेरम घेऊन गेले बाजारात आणि तुका सांगेक ना मॅडम सर एक 5% रिस्क आहे की तिका शॉक येऊंक मेळटा. None of you will buy that. None. Because the 5% shock म्हणजे वयर. What is the problem with smoking is it is a slow poison. It is not like ironing. That you get shock and you will die there only. This slow poisoning does not even to your mind. 20 वर्सांनी मरतलो, 25 वर्सांनी मरतलो, पळय एखादी नाही मरत आपूण एखादी मातशें एन्जॉय तरी करुया म्हण. सो दिस इज द वॉट इज मेक्स पीपल विथ पियर प्रेशर म्हणटात तेजे आमी एक सर्कल आहा भितर एकटो ओडटा, तो ओडटकच मागीर दुसरो एकटो अरे आपूण कित्याक ओडना, मागीर तो ताका घे रे कांय जायना रे, 2 दिसांनी मागीर सोड तुका नाका जाल्यार. It is not possible. Best is abstinence. Actually, you don't smoke. If you smoke, then it is a very, very powerful addiction. It is just next to heroin. Chance of leaving tobacco after you start smoking is less than 20%. That means if 100 students start smoking today, only 20 of them will leave because of doctors, because of pressure galo and wakta getli and 80% people will continue to smoke till the death. So it is a very powerful, difficult to leave smoking. Best is to quit as early as possible. We have so many things now, quit lines are there. You can go Dotra High in Goa is the best state actually. Every school has got counselor. Every hospital, PSC has got counselor, not in the district hospital. PSC and CSC has got counselor, schools have counselor. So actually there is sufficient, this is given by the government impetus to see that तुमका कितें problem दिसता जाल्यार you can come and discuss with the counselors and you can get away with that. मॅडमीन सांगला ते e-cigarette is on the rise, especially in the girls. चलयो आमच्यो मातशें आतां चड e-cigarette ओडूंक लागल्या कित्याक it looks very glamorous सारकी. तुम्ही I don't know how many of you have seen ती सिगरेट मातशी अशी कन्सर्न पयलींच्या भशेन म्हणजे कितें सिगरेट ओडप बरें दिसना मातशें. ती स्लीक येता सामकी, आवय बापायक दिसता की ती मे बी लिपस्टीक बी लावपाची बी म्हणून इतकी बरी दिसता सामकी चकचकीत सारक्यो. आनी थोडे इश्कोलांनी ताजेर स्पोर्ट बी जालो. स्पोर्ट म्हणजे कितें ते एकटे ओडटा मागीर म्हणटा आमी मातशें ट्राय करूं गो, हांवूय ट्राय करता एकटे ते मागीर चडूच घेता मागीर सगळो धुंवर थंय सगळे कडेन मागीर खोकतात आनी बोमाळ घालतात म्हणटा पेपर स्प्रे मारलो आपल्याचेर, हो मारलो ते मारले म्हणून कारणां सांगतात. बॅगां पयलेल्या प्रत्येकाच्या बॅगान 2-3 जाणांच्या बॅगांनी e-cigarettes. आनी आवय बापूय म्हणटा ना आमकां खबरूच ना हें आमी कित्याक केलाचें आनी काय म्हणना. सो इट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट टू रियलायज. And the only thing, as Madam said, the market is as a step down from smoking. Step down from smoking म्हणजे ते म्हणतात ना हातून कॅन्सर जावचो ना तुका. There is no tar in that e-cigarettes. म्हणजे तुका कॅन्सर जावतना आपण हार्ट अटॅकान मरू शकता तू. म्हणजे आयदर यू हॅव टू डिसाइड यू वॉन्ट टू डाय फॉर AK-47 or you want to die for pistol. दोन्ही हातून तू मरतलोच. पण दे गिव यू ऑप्शन तुका. हें मातशें हळू मातशें चड वेळ तू उरतलो जितो. So that's the only thing. This is gimmicks played by the industry. And this year's actually theme जे आसा to protect the children from the tobacco industry. Tobacco industry is a powerful industry. It is not like आमच्या भशेन आमी एक 2-3 मॅडमीन हांगा हे केल्यो आनी सर्क्युलेट केल्यो ताजे पेक्षा ते आतां 100 घालतले फटाफट दुसरे आपल्यो. So they have got huge amount of money there. So it is important that we must तांचे कशें आसा तांचे जे really buy करपी लोक आसा they are going to die somehow or sometime or other. So they need new crop of new people to smoke, and the best is to catch the students. 1 out of 5 students have tested tobacco in the age group of 13 to 15 in India. 1 out of 5, म्हणजे 20% in the age group of 13 to 15, म्हणजे 8वी 9वी 10वी त्या भुरग्यांनी already tested tobacco. This is the data which is correct data of the GYTS data हालीच म्हणजे 2 वर्सां फाटीं. So you can imagine if these people, out of them even 10% become a chronic smokers, is the huge number of people and the sale kitko vattalo. So it's very important to realize. And another one important message I want to give: gateway to the drugs is through smoking. A student will never go to the drugs if he has not smoked any time in their life. It all starts with spiking of the cigarette. जे खरे ड्रग्स घेवपी आसता ते तुजे हळू ते भितर तंबाखू काडटा भितर ते ड्रग्स घालता आनी तुका म्हणटा ही बरी लागता मागीर तुका ही संवय लागता and then you get addicted to that. So if you are not in a smoker, you are not in the circle, very unlikely that you will go to the for drugs. So always I tell police that Baba, you control smoking. If you control smoking, automatically this on the drugs will be less. And आमकां पयलीं दिसताली ही ड्रग्स बीट्स ओनली इन द पोस्टलाचे प्रॉब्लेम, मॅडमीचे प्रॉब्लेम अशें आमकां दिसतालें पयलीं. आतां आमकां वाळपय, दिवचले, सांकळे म्हणजे हाव वी नो दॅट माय वायफ वॉज अ मेडिकल ऑफिसर, मागीर हेल्थ ऑफिसर जाली ती. पेरंट्स कमिंग अगेन एंड अगेन विथ इंजरीज. तो आवय बापूय परते येतात, मारला, आयज पडली म्हणटा आपूण, हांगा हें जालें म्हणटा. सेम पेरंट्स आर कमिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. दॅट मीन्स भुरगीं मारता घरा आवय बापाय because they don't pay them to buy this. This is in the interiors. So you can imagine. And तांकां कशें तांकां कोण तरी नसरो एक बकरो जाय आसता, तो म्हणटा तुका फ्री दिता, तूं आनी एकट्या दोग जाणांक आपल्याक घेवन यो, अशें तें सगळें सुरवात जाता. सो इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टँड तांची सायकोलॉजी ऑफ भुरग्यांची. पण आय थिंक एज अ पेरंट्स, आनी आतांचे पेरंट्स कशें एकूच चलो आसता, एकूच चली आसता. आमच्या वेळार तीन चलयां 4-5 आसतालीं, घरा चलताले आपले, कोण व्हडले चली आहा ते धाकट्या भुरग्यांक पळयताले. आता सगळी अपुरबाय, कित्याक एकूच चलो म्हजो, एकूच चली म्हजी, ना म्हणू शकना. मोबायल घेवन जाय, जेवताना ताका मोबायल जाय. ल्हान आसतना तो मोबायल पळयले शिवाय तो कोणाक घालना. आमी कावू बावू कावू कावू म्हणून आवय भोंवताली बाबडी, कळ्ळें. सो आतांची परिस्थिती वेगळी आसा. सो बेस्ट एक्चुअली इज फॉर द टीचर्स. टीचर्स कॅन आयडेंटिफाय द स्टुडंट्स आर नॉट बिहेविंग प्रॉपरली. जो फर्स्ट बेंचेर बशिल्लो भुरगो, हळू तुका दिसता की हालीं तो बरो आन्सर करना, ही इज गोईंग ऑन द बॅक बेंचर्स, परतो उतरां दिता, समथींग इज गोईंग रॉंग विथ हिम, दे कॅन पिक अप फास्ट. आवय बापूय कशें पळयता ते अशें पळयता भुरग्यांक, ती इतकें लागसून पळयता की दे कॅनॉट मेक आउट डिफरन्स. पण टीचर्स कॅन बी अ व्हेरी गुड इम्पॉर्टंट टू आयडेंटिफाय which student needs help, and we are giving help. Government is giving help through the counselors are there. So I think we should do all these things. I request all like-minded people to come forward in this fight against this menace. Thank you very much for calling me.
Thank you, sir, for an eye-opening and informative address. May I now request our chief guest for today to kindly address the gathering.
Yes, good evening everyone. Today on No Tobacco Day, we have in our midst Dr. Shekhar Salkar, renowned surgeon, Dr. Amche Amita, all the jury, my filmmakers, press media. 2017 was the first year we had in this competition began in ESG along with the health department, and today is the 6th year we are celebrating it. It's become a calendar year. आणि काय बरें आमचे डॉक्टर सालकर आणि डॉक्टर अमितान तुमकां एक्सप्लेन केला. एज फिल्म मेकर्स एंटी टोबॅको टॅगलायन आहाच. Another important aspect is, first of all, we have to stress on our life being a beautiful gift. देवाचे देणे आमकां. And why spoil it all by smoking? So why not use it in a positive way to bring some positive change in the life of others? आमी इतले लायफान गोडे डिप्रेस जाले काय? We should first of all be happy, at least in India. आमकां आनी गोंया म्हणटा ते काम आनी कांय ना जाल्यार घरा गेल्यार जेवण म्हूण मेवता. आई आमकां जेवण म्हूण घालता वंदन काय ना तुका काम जॉब मेळना, पूण पोटान शीत कडी पूण वयता ती आमची अब्रॉड कितें 13-14 वर्साचे जाले भुरगे सेपरेट रावतात. यू लूक आफ्टर युअर सेल्फ, यू लूक आफ्टर युअर फीज, यू लूक आफ्टर युअर फूड, एवरीथिंग. बट एटलीस्ट इन इंडिया, गोवा, we are living in a this where at last we go back to our parents, and parents at least even if we are jobless, nothing is there. तुका जेवण म्हणा रातचे येवन घरा. So why make life so depressing for ourselves and for others? Life is a gift of God, and every day that we wake up in good health, we are always on a positive side. Remember the one doctoran सांगला ते प्रमाणे गेलो तो गेलो, he is on negative. And even if we are any bad may come, we should see. आता आम्ही काय बरी हा कोणाक हात पायच ना, कोणाक कांयच ना लायफान. somebody is on the death bed, suffering and suffering, आणि आम्ही कसले डिप्रेशन घेऊन बोलले आता ते स्मोकिंग करतात. It's become a sort of fashion. माझो फ्रेंड करता आपणें घेवंक जाय. सो डॉक्टरान सांगला ते प्रमाणे इस्कॉलांनी चालू जाला हें. इट हॅज स्टार्टेड इन स्कूल, विच इज अ व्हेरी डेंजरस फेनोमेना गोईंग ऑन. भुरग्यांक एंड दे आर द इजिएस्ट प्रे. कॅच देम यंग म्हणटा पळय तसलें चालू आहा. एंड दीस इंडस्ट्री, गुटखा इंडस्ट्री, दीस टोबॅको इंडस्ट्री, दे आर हाय एंड पीपल, चड वयर ते. बट वी as government, as health department, it is very important, and as parents and as teachers, very important to see that our kids don't fall prey to this tobacco. It's, as the doctor has said, it's a slow death, but sure death, and painful death. Sure death, painful death, where you are making your life miserable and making other people's, your parents' life miserable. They are, and your dependents, whoever they are. So I think anti-tobacco day, it starts with cigarettes, and then it leads to drugs, and then it is no end. There is no reverse turn. U-turn म्हणटा तेका ना. Starts with tobacco, and it goes on and on and on. तुका ते कितेंच तकलेन येना बाबा आपले लायफ कोहें बरें करचें तें. till until unless you are really counseled at that at that stage, or at that आमच्या अंजुना एक हा, there is a so where young boys are there who are getting some counseling and getting out of it, hopefully. But it's very dangerous, and we as parents, teachers, and you filmmakers all are playing a very important role in bringing positive energy in these young kids, in counseling them. आणि परते सांगता हे जे फिल्म्स आता आमी 13 फिल्म्स येयल्यात गोवन सेक्शनान, स्टेट सेक्शन, आणि 10 फिल्म्स इन नॅशनल सेक्शन. In national section, first prize is 1 lakh, second prize is 50,000, third prize is 30,000. In Goan section, the first prize is 50,000, second prize is 30,000, third prize is 20,000. So whether to all my filmmakers present here, whether you have got a prize or no, the very fact that you all have contributed in making of your beautiful films for a good cause is a big salute to each one of you all. God bless. Big round of applause to you. Prizes are secondary, but you are making a film for a good cause. That's the satisfaction our conscience should give us as a filmmaker. आणि जेन्ना आमी हे हिरो हिरोइनांक पळयतात पिक्चरांनी स्पेशली, that becomes even more, अरे आमची हिरो हिरोइन अशें करतात आनी आमी कित्याक ना. So I'm really thankful to you all as filmmakers and for participating in this competition. God bless you all. Let us unitedly work together to bring positive energy in this world, in our Goa, in our families. Let's start looking with microscope in our families first. आमी पळयनात म्हणटा ते आमकां खबरूच आसना आमकां दिसता आमचे चेडूं चेडो तोच कोना न्हू. We hardly meet, and especially when we make separate bedrooms for our kids. चेडो चेडूं वयले बेडरुमान रावतात, जेवपाक येयात बसून म्हणून फोन मारून आपोवपाक पडटा. सारकें म्हाजें पावन डिनर टेबलाचेर. दीस न्युक्लियर फॅमिली इन जॉयंट फॅमिली जाल्या पळय त्यो. बट स्टील वी आर टुगेदर. लव, वी शूड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल love the gift of ourselves. Love ourselves, love our families, and protect our families, our neighborhoods from this evil tobacco, which will increase, give rise to drugs. आमचे कोस्टल बेल्टांनी पळयताच आमी कितले कोहे येतात आनी कोहे दितात आनी कोहे वयतात तेच कळना. Life has become sort of so cheap. We see young boys and girls just dying. So God bless you all. Thank you for taking part in this competition, and I'm sure our jury has done their best to see that the best film, that small film what you have made, will get a prize. But again I would request you all, whoever are the filmmakers, धाकटे आमकां WhatsApp रील ना जाल्यार ते Facebook रील करून दियात आमकां ESGन, so that you know on WhatsApp when you all forward on as Facebook reel, it reaches to the higher more bigger audience, reaches it serves the aim. I mean, our aim is to see that your reels, your film reaches to the ends of the world, not just in Goa, not just in India, so that everybody who smokes, and remember, as a parent, if I am smoking, my child also becomes a silent smoker, whether she smokes or not. She is inhaling that fumes. That also we have to remember. So God bless. Thanks for having this, and my help, my government's help to have many more such events will always be there. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am, for the positive reinforcement and encouragement to the young filmmakers against the fight of tobacco. Let us now proceed to the screening of the films that were submitted. May I request our dignitaries to kindly take their place among the audience. We begin with the screening of the entries in the Goan category. The first entry was Hosh Mein Rahoge To Hoshyar Banoge by Sunny S. Naik, Guardians of Tomorrow by Athar Ratnakar Sargaonkar, Roko Tobacco by Gautam Anand Shirsak, The Protector by Satish R. Gaonkar, Sach by Sham S. Prabhu, Mera Naam Suresh by Vrushali Amay Sime Purushkar, Pirgi by Omkar Kalidas Naik, Dhuvar Singh by Sonia Chari, Janhit Mein Jari by Amit S. Patte, Bhuti by Arya Ranjan Mayekar, Shanpana by Ashirwad Moving Images, Wings of Regret by Sushagat Films Sanjay Prabhu Gaonkar. In the national category, we had entries as follows: Hosh Mein Rahoge To Hoshyar Banoge, Shanpana, The Protector, Ye Meri Dunya by Pratik Kharate, Mera Naam Suresh, Beats by Nilesh Chandrakant Nevgi, Wings of Regret by Sushagat Films, Janhit Mein Jari, Pirgi, and Bachcho Ko Bachao by Brijesh Kakurkar.
बाबा ते साइड कट ना.
We have now arrived at the most eagerly awaited part of the program, which is the prize distribution. We will begin with the distribution of the participation certificates. May I request our chief guest for today, guest of honor, and Dr. Amita to kindly step on the stage. I request the participants to kindly step forward as soon as their names are called out. होश में रहोगे तो होशियार बनोगे by Sunny S. Singh. Guardians of Tomorrow by Athar Ratnakar Salgaonkar. Roko Tobacco by Gautam Anand Shirsath. The Protector by Satish R. Gaonkar. Such by Shyam S. Prabhu. Mera Naam Suresh by Vrushali Amey Sime Purushkar. Dhuvar Singh by Sonia Chari. Is My Sum Correct by Gangaram R. Narvekar. Bhuti by Arya Ranjan Mayekar. Shanpana by Ashirvad Moving Images. Wings of Regret by Sushegat Films, Sanjay Prabhu Gaonkar. ये मेरी दुनिया by Pratik Kharake. Beats by Nilesh Chandrakant Nevgi. To announce the winners in the national category, I would like to invite Dr. Shekhar Salkar.
The third prize goes to Bachcho Ka Bachao by Brijesh Kakurkar. Second prize, Hiriki by Omkar Kalidas Naik.
Two of you will come. And take this.
Momento. Yes.
Doctor, you also come. Come. Yes.
Thank you.
We have present among us Dr. Mohan Rao Desai. May I also request you, sir, to kindly come up on stage.
And the first prize goes to Janhit Mein Jari by Amit Farte. Janhit Mein Jari. First prize Amit Farte.
May I now request
Okay, fine. Yeah.
May I kindly request Dr. Amita Kenkri Kamath to announce the winners of the Goa State category.
Okay, the Goa State category first prize goes to Bhuti by Arya Mahekar. The team, please come onto the stage. Bhuti by Arya Ranjan Mahekar and his team.
Thank you.
Second prize, Shanpana by Ashirwad Moving Images.
Hey Baba.
Vardhan Kamar. We see his reels very often on Facebook.
Come. Yes.
Today we see the wife who's never seen otherwise. Okay.
Hold on.
Third prize, Wings of Regret by Sushagat Films. Sanjay Prabhugankar.
Yes.
Hearty congratulations to all the winners and to all the participants for their sheer interest in bringing about ripples of change in their own special way. As announced earlier, the national prize winners will be awarded a sum of rupees 1 lakh for the first prize, 50,000 second prize, and 30,000 third prize. And in the Goa state category, the first prize winner will be awarded an amount of rupees 50,000, 30,000 for the second prize winner, and 20,000 for the third prize winner. As a sign of gratitude and appreciation, we would also like to present a token of love to our jury members, requesting our chief guest to present the memento to Dr. Jagdish Kakodkar, Professor and Head Department of Community Medicine, Goa Medical College and Hospital. Unfortunately, Sir couldn't make it today, so we move on to our next jury member, Dr. Manisha Khorate, Professor and Head, Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology, Goa Dental College and Hospital. And the third jury member, Shri Ramnath Raikar, Senior Journalist and Writer on Cinema. Thank you, ma'am and sir. As we draw to the end of today's program, on behalf of the Department of Public Health Dentistry, Goa Dental College and Hospital, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Srimati Delilah M. Lobo, MLA Shioli Constituency and Vice Chairperson, Entertainment Society of Goa, as well as our guest of honor, Dr. Shekhar Salkar, Oncosurgeon, Chief of Department of Surgical Oncology, Manipal Hospital. Thank you. Your thoughts have truly inspired us. We would also like to thank Dr. Mohan Rao Desai for his presence today. I would also like to thank our Dean, Dr. Aida Danarona Dattaid, who has always been supportive of our initiatives and encouraged us to strive for excellence. A special thanks to Dr. Geeta Kakodkar, Dr. Rupa Naik for supporting this film festival through the National Tobacco Control Program. Heartfelt thanks and appreciation to our esteemed jury members who took out time from their busy schedule to judge the entries. Our sincere thanks to all the staff members of Entertainment Society of Goa, especially Mr. Praveen Prabhu, and staff members of Department of Public Health Dentistry, Goa Dental College and Hospital, who handled this event throughout and took on the completion of tasks. We would also like to mention the contribution of Sri Rajendra Talak as one of the initiators of the film festival. Heartfelt gratitude to all the participants for sending in entries and making the event a memorable one. Finally, I would like to express my appreciation to all our guests and media persons who have taken time out of their busy schedules to grace this occasion. Your presence has made this event even more special. Thank you, one and all. It has been a pleasure to be with you this evening. Before we end, I request the winners to kindly stay back and complete their formalities and come up on stage if they require a photograph. Wishing you all a pleasant evening and a safe drive home. Good night.